kilometer run, and there is a two water point. A water point is there, and we have the two checkpoint also, official checkpoint also. So they will check your bib number also, and there is a transponder where you are taking the U-turn. So every athlete you have to cross the transponder. Electronic transponder है, उसके ऊपर आना है, उस ऊपर आने के टाइम आपका बिब नंबर स्कैन होता है. So आप फर्स्ट आ गया तो भाई ट्रांसफर
may not be taken into consideration. Therefore, all the instructions are very, very important. We request all the managers, the coaches, and also the athletes to listen to these instructions very, very seriously, take them and get ready for the inaugural ceremony and also in 25 and 26. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and give a big hand for the inaugural ceremony of 2025 and 26 All India Inter-University Cross Country Championship for Women. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we have our mistress on the stage, Sri Sandesh PG, Circle Inspector Modibitri, Dr. Gulab Singh Ruhal, all the way from CCS University, and also he is the observer of AIU. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Gerald D'Souza, Director, Physical Education, Mangalore University. It's a great moment of pride and honor, ladies and gentlemen. We also have Amistas, Dr. M. Mohan Alva, Chairman, Alva's Education Foundation, Modibidri, Mr. Vivek Alva, the Managing Trustee, Alva's Education Foundation, Modibidri, and Dr. Kurian, Principal, Alva's College, Modibidri. We also have Amistas, Dr. Sundar, Technical Delegate of this particular meet. Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to put your hands together and give a big hand to all the dignitaries. Right now, we have Sri Sandesh PG, the Circle Inspector, Modibidri, to wish all the very best to all the athletes, those who are participating in All India Inter-University Cross Country Championship for Women 2025 and 26. Sri Sandesh PG, sir, request you to come ahead and wish all the very best to the athletes.
Good morning all the guests and dignitaries present at the stage, and all the competitors who came across the country to compete here for this championship. We are very happy that Alva's institution always conducting very huge, very big competitions here, and it is your privilege to tell that Alva's is always conducting very good programs, nationwide programs and famous programs. And I wish all the best for all the competitors for to came here for competing here cross country championship. All the best. I wish all the best for the competitors. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for wishing all the athletes all the very best. The athletes, coaches, managers, ladies and gentlemen, we should also recognize the service that is given by the police fraternity, especially when we organize the big sports events, may it be the cross country or maybe all India inter-athletic meets. It's really to make this event and the ceremony a truly colorful one. Right now, all the dignitaries will come together. Sri Sandesh PG, Circle Inspector Modibidri, along with other dignitaries, will go for the flag off, and the countdown will begin right now.
Okay, athletes, get ready. So now countdown is going to start with the 5. Okay? On count of 5, 4, 3, 2, you go! Well, ladies and gentlemen, there is the start of the All India Inter-University Women Cross Country Championship for the year 2025 and 26. A huge number of athletes are taking part in this championship.
very much. On behalf of Alvas Education Foundation and Mangalore University, we thank Shri Sandesh PG, Circle Inspector, Motivatory Foundation, Dr. Gerald Sandesh D'Souza, Director of Physical Education, Mangalore University, Mr. Vivek Alva, Managing Trustee, Alvas Education Foundation, Dr. Kurian, Principal, Alvas College, Motivatory, and also we thank all the dignitaries who were present for the inaugural ceremony of All India Inter-University Cross Country Championship for Women 2025-26. Official photographers, sound operators, and also the officials from Alvas Education Foundation. Thank you very much for your constant support and also giving 101% for the inauguration.